Alright, what is up? What is up? What is up? So the last couple of days have been really crazy. I was caught up with the magazine work and working on an important project. Today I ordered, I think, the most important book on my library. It's still not here. It will be a part of my library. So the book is The Art of Memory by F.A. Yeats. I think it's the most expensive book by far that will occupy that space in the shelf. This book, it cost me roughly 24,000, to be precise 23,927. My memory is getting better just because I ordered the book. But this month I have been spending a lot of time learning different memory tricks, strategies and hacks to remember things, and to be able to recall the information when I need the information, because I read so much. But what's the point of reading when you forget a lot of information and you can't recall it, right? So when I read the literature about memory training, I figured that a lot of books today written by authors today refer to a lot of stuff that's in the classical book by Yeats, The Art of Memory. And I was like, hey, if all the authors today are referring to what he had to say, then why not make that literature, that classical book, a part of my library? I like collecting books. Every year I give myself 10 books on my birthday. These are the most special books that I plan to give myself. So I ordered the book today because it's going to take about 10 days. But that feeling of getting a hardcover classical book is just amazing and out of the world. I can't wait for that book to come home on my birthday. We'll do an unboxing on my birthday. But you know what, if you love reading, I think learning about memory and how to retain information and remember more information is the key. And I highly suggest that you pick up books on learning about how the brain functions and how you could remember more information. Well, there's a lot of updates. I will speak to you tomorrow. I got to rush, I got to work, get the magazine stuff done. This is me, Karan, and love saying bye for today, right? Say bye. Bye. Subscribe.